Hi, welcome back to the TMG New Solution YouTube channel. In order to have ownership rights to an image created by MidJourney, we have to pay $10 per month. If you don't have extra money to spend on images, this is the perfect option for you. In this video, I will explain why I have completely switched over to Leonardo AI, how Leonardo AI is better than MidJourney, and how with the absolutely free Leonardo AI app, you can start making money today with Leonardo AI. Today's video is divided into 3 parts. In part 1, we will guide you on how to create images on Leonardo AI. In part 2, we will discuss why Leonardo AI is better than MidJourney. And in the final part, we will explain how to make money with Leonardo AI. So let's get started now.
Tool 1. Leonardo AI. Firstly, let me show you how to get access to Leonardo AI. Go to their website and click Get Early Access. Then, you'll need to join their Discord channel. Here, you'll need to follow the link to fill out a short form where you'll provide your Discord nickname and email to get an invitation to Leonardo AI. The invitation should arrive within a day, but let me tell you a secret. You don't have to wait for the invitation. Just go back to the leonardo.ai website. In the top right corner, click Launch App, then Yes, I'm whitelisted. Now you'll need to click Login to Leonardo AI.
When you get to their website, you might notice that Leonardo AI is a web app, which means you don't even need a Discord account, which in my opinion is much more convenient than MidJourney.
Step 1. On the home page, click on AI Image Generation in the left panel. Write your prompt in the corresponding field, choose a model, and adjust other settings to create the desired image. Step 2. Once you have set up the prompt and options, click the Generate button to start the image generation process. Step 3. Wait for a moment, and Leonardo AI will generate 1 or more images based on your prompt and the selected model. You can view the results directly on the website. Step 4. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can try again by editing the prompt or changing other options to create a new image. Step 5. When you find an image you want to use, you can click the Download button to save the image to your computer. When you visit their website, you will notice that Leonardo AI is a web application, which means you don't need a Discord account, making it much more convenient than MidJourney, in my opinion. Like many other text-to-image services, Leonardo AI uses a basic token system. Leonardo provides you with 150 tokens that refresh every 24 hours. Simply put, you can generate 150 images per day, which is plenty. On the home page, you can explore the works of other users and see for yourself that Leonardo creates highly quality images. One thing I prefer about Leonardo compared to MidJourney is that you can click on any image and view the entire prompt used to generate that image. Additionally, Leonardo AI has a built-in algorithm that allows you to remove the background with just a few clicks. Simply click on any image, select No Background, and then you can download the image as a PNG file without the background. So, personally, I find Leonardo AI much more convenient and pleasant to use than MidJourney. Also, at the beginning of this video, I promised to show you a way to make money using Leonardo AI. In a previous video, I already demonstrated how to create comics with MidJourney to sell them on Amazon. Make sure to watch it if you haven't yet. Now, I'll show you another product that we can create with the help of Leonardo AI and sell it on Etsy. This is a very simple but interesting image called a pattern. The cool thing about it is that when we connect 2 images, they turn into one, just like this. So now, I'll show you how I created this image with Leonardo AI and how you can sell images like these on Etsy. So, we're in Leonardo AI, and on the left, I select 4 variations. I'll write something like rabbit with hoodie, watercolor clip art, comic, stripe, full illustration, 4K, sharp focus, watercolor, smooth, soft skin, and click Generate. Step 1. Access the Printify website and select a design to create a physical product. The appealing aspect of this method is that you don't have to package or ship the products to customers. Printify takes care of that. Step 2. Upload your image onto the blank canvas provided on the Printify website. Step 3. Choose Create Mockup to generate a product template. Step 4. Select Print on both sides to have your image appear on both sides of the product. Step 5. Preview your product to see how the final design will look. You can also place your image on various other products like tough cases, t-shirts, bags, and more. All that's left is to list your products on Etsy and start making money.
Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more videos on the latest artificial intelligence technology. See you. Thank you.